What's up, guys? Welcome back to episode 2 of Huddle and Hilltop. I'm Mikey.
And I'm Charlotte. This week on Huddle and Hilltop, we will be interviewing our girls field hockey team. They have been having an amazing season so far, so let's head over and check out what they've been up to.
What's up, everyone? We're here with the girls field hockey team, Claire, Mia, and Kylie, and they're going to tell us a little about how their season's going so far.
All right, so guys, how are you feeling about the season so far, and what do you think is making you guys so successful?
About the season so far, I think we've worked really well as a team, like having fun and also balancing like working hard at the same time.
I agree with that. I think our team chemistry is really good this year. We've been doing a lot of scrimmaging, which has been helping.
I'm doing a lot of other practices like corners, which is just a penalty in field hockey basically. And then like me and Kylie said, we have really good chemistry on the team this year.
Yeah, it definitely helps that we have fun a lot this year because it like encourages us to just keep working hard and like pushing ourselves, like because it proves that you can have fun and like be successful at the same time.
Awesome. And then what are your goals for the season? Because I know like it's been super successful so far. So like, and I know this is a little different than last year. So.
You start. Do you have any goals?
I think some of our goals are just one to have a better record than last year, which we've already accomplished, but we're going to keep pushing to have like a better winning streak. Like we just had a 7-game winning streak, which is much better than last year.
Yeah, off that, like I feel like as a team though, like our goals are like all over the place, like different goals for different people. Like so some people it's just to like basically get good contact with the ball, and other people it's to get like maybe a hat trick in a game. So I feel like goals differ from person to person this year, definitely.
Yeah. As a team, ring season?
Yeah.
I mean, why not? Like, let's just go for it.
Yeah.
And then, last thing, one word to describe the team vibe.
Oh my gosh. Out there.
That's 2 words.
That's 2 words,
We'll
but
hyphenate it. Out
it's,
there.
it's really out there, so I think that needs to be there. Like,
I can't even think of one.
definitely like spontaneous.
Yeah.
Really spontaneous. That's a
Like
good one.
nothing ever goes the same every practice.
They're definitely, I'm always at the field when they're practicing, and it's definitely a fun group to be around. Like, I really enjoy watching the practices.
Yeah, why not?
Okay guys, so now with our 3 field hockey girls, we're gonna be doing Guess That Song Challenge. So they're gonna slap the table when they think they know the answer, and it's gonna be 10 songs.
Okay.
Oh. Does artists count?
Yeah, artist.
Bruno Mars.
Bruno Mars.
Okay.
We'll give her that one.
Alright.
We'll go artist or song.
Yeah, alright.
Okay.
Mia, you got one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. I'm ready. All yours. Tyler Childers.
I gotta give that one to Mia. She slapped
I
it
don't know
first.
his last.
Claire, nothing yet?
Nope, not yet.
Oh, I need to hear some more.
Oh, shoot.
Operator error over there.
Tennessee Orange.
Do you know who it's by?
No, I know someone who covered it though.
Okay, we'll give you that one.
Alright, wow, Mia's
Sorry,
killing it
guys,
right now.
I'm
She's got 3 points.
Alright.
I'm just gonna sit here.
It's like Hey Hey is the name of the song.
No.
Nope.
Oh,
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Claire.
Okay, Claire won. Mia 3, Claire 1.
Damn, I'm really bad with this. Yes, I don't listen to any
You
music
need
but
to pull out
country.
Worcester trivia right
Go on,
now.
go on, go on.
Kill it.
It's Adele.
Okay.
I did.
Set fire to the rain.
Yeah, Set Fire to the Rain by Adele.
Alright,
Good.
1, 1, 3.
That was like the
1, 1,
first
3.
full answer.
Oh, wow.
These are really mellow songs, Becky.
Oh.
Jan Shay.
Jan and Shay, Kylie got it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Taylor Swift, You Belong With Me.
Alright.
Oh god, I don't know the lead.
She's a banger. I don't know the
I
name.
know the name, but
Or
I know
who
the
sings
song.
it.
Who even even sings this?
I don't know, but it's a banger.
This is awkward.
I don't know.
I know the song, but I don't know what it is.
He said the name already.
Is it
Dance with me.
Rocky?
Close.
Is it Let Me
Let Me Rock
Let Me
You.
Rock?
No. Are we giving up?
Yeah, give up, give up. What was
it's
it?
Rock Your Body by Justin Timberlake.
Oh, okay. Are we giving up?
It's all right.
Love for the words to come here, maybe.
Guys, are we serious? Adam Levine.
What? Oh, okay.
You got it.
Oh,
Wow, that's all right.
2, 3, 3. Two more.
Okay.
Focus.
Well, I have a very narrow. Apparently, we don't know much.
Like I know the songs, but I don't know who they're by, like the name.
Okay.
Is it Jay-Z?
Technically,
It's Rihanna and Jay-Z, and it's like
what's the name of the song?
Umbrella?
Yeah, Umbrella.
All right, okay. 2, 4, 3.
All right.
All right, this is for.
I need focus.
This is either if you get this, then we'll do one more like tiebreaker.
Okay.
Okay.
Kylie, I swear to God.
Oh.
I know the first
This has to be. This can't.
Morgan Wallen. I don't know the song.
Yeah, but you gotta.
Yeah, I was gonna say the song
This is a
name.
big one, so the
Yeah,
song name
you
has
gotta
to
know the song name.
Are you gonna play it again? Why don't I ever do this?
be. They said they like country music.
I do. I don't think I
can
can
sing
concert.
it.
I know. I went to the concert.
It's all you guys.
I thought you should know.
Kylie got it. Since Kylie win?
So Kylie won, right?
Kylie
Yeah.
won. Wow.
Okay.
Impressive.
Who are you guys playing this weekend?
Dexter Selfield.
What day?
Saturday.
All right, you heard it, folks. Be there and be loud. Our field hockey team will most definitely not disappoint. So please go out and support our girls. Thank you so much for coming on the show, guys.
Thank you. There you have it, guys. Our girls' field hockey team is a great group of ladies. I'm excited to see what they do for the rest of the season. I'm Mikey.
And I'm Charlotte. Thank you so much for tuning in this week.